We recently visited the Ottawa Asian Food Fest and tried this amazing oyster omelette or oyster pancake. We loved it so much that we decided to recreate this delicious dish. Please support and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the meantime. Thank you very much, everyone. Ta-da! Here is the result of our homemade fried oyster omelette. Let us show you how you can make this at home. Now let's get started. First things first, let's get some fresh oysters. And the rest of the ingredients that you will need. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Also, be sure to turn notification on so you'll be notified of our latest new video. Do follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and visit our website at MBCreativeKitchen.com for full written recipes. Your support is truly appreciated.